Everyone, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time or if it's your second and subsequent times, thank you for your support. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. I'm going to show you how to make an organizer, of course with a plan, and you can go ahead and do the same. It's really simple. First, you go ahead and plan, because not everyone wants the organizer to be the same. And here you can see me just writing down the number of pieces I'm going to have, so that I can cut them out and plan. As you can see, some parts are longer than others. For example, number 10 definitely is longer because it comes from one end to the other, and number 13 definitely is longer. 15 and 14 would be the same. 16 would be the same as 17, and it would be the same as is that 11? Yeah, 11 and 12. So as you plan, you would know that some are the same length as others. That would make it easier for you to assemble when time comes. In total, I think there were about 25 or 27 pieces. I'm not quite sure. Let's see. That's 25. Yeah, in total I had 25 pieces. And I'm going to show you how I made the small pieces. That is 24, 25 and 23. As you can see here, all I did not even glue them down. All I did was I made joints and joined them together. I don't know how to describe, but as you can see, it's very steady. That's how I made those parts. So I have the base of my organizer. Those are the outside parts, the inner, and these are the dividers. As you can see, those are the small dividers and the ones with the joints. So we'll go ahead and assemble them. First, I'll use this paper to cover all the dividers. Some will have the white side on top and others will have the pink side on top. You can go and use any piece of paper that you like with the different arts that you want. This is what I was going for, pink and white. Of course, I used the glue to glue it down, and I prefer using the glue stick compared to the regular liquid glue, because I find that the glue stick sticks easily and there are no folds on the paper. You know, the wet marks are not there. And I'll just go ahead and cut it up like so. Once you're done, you'll do the same thing to the other dividers. So the next thing that I'll be doing is cutting up the paper that's going to cover up the base. That's the bottom part of the base and even the top part of the base. What I'm using here is a gift wrapping paper. That's what I could find, and I really love the feathers and the pink and white colors that are on there. So as you can see, I'm just putting on the glue before I put the top part of the cover, just like that. I make sure I put it in a way that it won't crumble up, like, because I need it to lay down flat on the surface. As you can see, these are the sides, those are the shorter side, and these are the longer ones. I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the surface just like this, but I'm going to use a hot glue gun to do this. I will go ahead and press it down just to secure it, and I'll do the same thing to the other sides. I went ahead and assembled all the other parts as per the plan. I just glued them, and this is the end product. Of course, it's so beautiful. I put it on my bed stand that's made out of cardboard. As you can see, this is where I put my perfume that I use all the time, batteries that I do not want to get lost, my snacks and other things. Of course, I have my almonds there, and also my candle that I love so much. This was really easy to make. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe. I'll leave a link below to the bedroom cabinet that you see here, and hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video.